Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech tutorial, Data and Analytics Terminology Series tutorial. In this tutorial, here we are going to discuss about raw data. What is a raw data? We can also call raw data as source data or atomic data or primary data. Raw data is a data just as it was collected. It means it was not cleaned, not formatted, not grouped, or not sorted as well. Information or raw data has been collected but not formatted or analyzed. Organizations can feed raw data into a database or a data warehouse. After storing raw data into the databases, an analyst can query the data using different business intelligence tools to produce useful insights. Here I am provide an example for raw data. Here I am collected some raw data information like numbers. Here we can see this is not in proper order, it is not sorted, and it is also not grouped. Now here, based on my example, based on my sample data, I am sorted in an ascending order of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. After sorting my data, I am also going to be group my data like 1 to 2 as a group. Here I can see 3 to 4 as a group and 5 to 6 as a group, and 7 to 8 and 9 to 10 and 11 to the next numbers. So why we need to group, or why we need to format, or why we need to sort our data? Whenever an analyst or any business intelligence developer to produce these kind of analysis, must and should we need to format our data to represent or to perform useful insights based on the business requirements. So after grouping my data, I can produce an histogram like this, like zeros and 1 to 2 group and 3 to 4 group and 5 to 6 group, 7 to 8 group, 9 to 10 and 11 to 12. So here you can see in the range of 1 to 2 group, we are having total 4 values, and 3 to 4 we can see an histogram. Here we are having 5 values, and within the range of 5 to 6 group we are having almost 8 values. So like this we are going to perform an analysis based on my raw data once it has been formatted in a proper way. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press bell icon to get latest notifications. Thank you everyone.